వెల్కమ్ టు చిన్ను మ్యాథ్స్ ట్యూటోరియల్. సో వీడియో చూసే కన్నా ముందు మన ఛానల్ ఇంకెవరైనా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. పక్కనే గంట సింబల్ ఉంటుంది, దాన్ని ప్రెస్ చేయండి. అగైన్ మీకు 3 ఆప్షన్స్ వస్తాయి, అందులో ఆల్ అనే ఆప్షన్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. అప్పుడే నేను పెట్టే ప్రతి వీడియో కూడా మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్ రూపంలో అందుతుంది. సో నోటిఫికేషన్స్ ఒకవేళ అందకపోయినా ఎవ్రీడే ఈవినింగ్ 6:30 తర్వాత మన ఛానల్ ఒకసారి ఓపెన్ చేయండి. సో వీడియోస్ అప్లోడ్ చేయబడి ఉంటాయి. సో ఈ వీడియోకి ఒక లైక్ ఇవ్వండి, అలాగే ఈ వీడియోను మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరూ కూడా షేర్ చేసి మన ఛానల్కు సపోర్ట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ వి డిస్కస్. ఫైండ్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద సర్కిల్ ఫర్ విచ్ ద పాయింట్స్ given -4, 3 and 3, -4 are end points of the diameter. What is say? The given 2 points are the end points of the diameter. So then we have to find, this is the required equation of the circle. We have to find this circle equation. So then C is the center of the circle, it is the diameter. Given that end points of the diameters are -4, 3, one end point is -4, 3, another end point is 3, -4. So I will take, it is A, it is B. So given that end points of the diameter means we have to find this circle equation. So given that x1 y1, the point A x1 y1 is -4, 3, the point B x2 y2 equal to 3, -4. So then required equation of the circle is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2. When the given 2 end points of the diameter, then the equation of the circle is this one. Then you can substitute x minus x1, x1 value -4, minus into minus plus 4, x minus x2, that is equal to 3, plus y minus y1, the y1 value equal to 3, then y minus y2, minus into minus plus 4 equal to 0. Then you can substitute. Then multiply x into x, x square, x into -3, -3x, plus 4 into x, plus 4x, plus into minus 4 into 3 equal to 12, plus y into y, y square, y into plus 4, then plus 4y, plus into minus 3 into y, 3y, plus into minus 3 4 12 equal to 0. So then write in one order x square plus y square. After that calculate the x element, -3x plus 4x equal to plus x. Okay, then calculate the y elements, plus 4y minus 3y equal to plus y, minus 12, again minus 12, it is equal to minus of 24 equal to 0. It is our required equation of the circle when given the end points of the diameter. Find the equation of the circle for which the points is given by 4, 2 and 1, 5 are the end points of the diameter. The given 2 points are the end points of the diameter. So AB is the diameter, then A, B are the end points of the diameter, that is given by 4, 2, another one is 1, 5. So according to the problem given that the point A equal to 4, 2, the point B equal to 1, 5. When the given that end points of the diameter, the required equation of the circle is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. Then you can substitute the values. X minus x1 4 into x minus x2 -1 plus y minus y1 2, y minus y2 5 equal to 0. Then multiply x into x, x square, x into -1 minus x, minus 4 into x minus 4x, minus into minus plus 4. Similarly y into y, y square, y into -5 minus 5y, minus 2 into y minus 2y, minus into minus plus 2 5 10, it is equal to 0. Write in one order x square plus y square. After that calculate the x elements, minus x minus 4x, it is equal to minus 5x, After that calculate y elements, minus 5y minus 2y, so then minus of 7y. Then calculate the constant values, plus 4 plus 10, it is equal to plus 14 equal to 0. It is the required equation of the circle. Next important bit, we discuss obtain the parametric equation of the each of the following circles. Given circles, you have to write parametric equations. We discuss the first one. So given circle, what is the given circle is x square plus y square equal to 4. For this circle you have to write the parametric equations. The given circle can be written as x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equal to 2 square. So then compare to x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. So compared to this equation, what is the h value equal to 0 and k value equal to 0, r equal to 2. Suppose take this is equation 1, parametric equations of equation 1 is, what are the principle? X equal to h plus r cos theta, y equal to k plus r sin theta. These are the parametric equation of equation 1. Then x equal to h value equal to 0 plus r value equal to 2 into cos theta. Therefore x equal to 2 cos theta. Similarly, y equal to 0 plus 2 into sin theta, then y equal to 2 sin theta. These are the required equation of the parametric equations. We discuss the second question. Take the given circle 4 into x square plus y square equal to 9. We can observe the given circle equation, it is not a general form. Convert into the general form. So convert into the general form means the throughout equation is divided by 4. Why? Because x square y square coefficient equal to 4. So that is why we can convert into the general form. So then x square plus y square equal to 9 by 4. Again this circle equation can be written as x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equal to 9 by 4 can be written as 3 by 2 whole square. Then compare to x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square form. So then here what is the h value equal to 0, the k value equal to 0, then r equal to 3 by 2. Take this is equation 1. So then parametric equation of equation 1 is x equal to h plus r cos theta, then y equal to k plus r sin theta. Then substitute the values. So then x equal to h value equal to 0, what is r value equal to 3 by 2 into cos theta. Therefore x equal to 3 by 2 into cos theta, then y equal to k value 0, r equal to 3 by 2 into cos theta. H plus r cos theta, y equal to k plus r sin theta. Okay, then y equal to 3 by 2 into sin theta. These are the parametric equations of equation 1. Next question we discuss. The third question is 2x square plus 2y square equal to 7. So the circle equation is 2x square plus 2y square equal to 7. It is not a general equation. So we have to convert into the general equation. The throughout equation is divided by 2. Then x square plus y square equal to 7 by 2. Again this equation can be written as x minus 0 whole square. X minus 0 whole square is nothing but again x square. Similarly y minus 0 whole square, it is equal to root of 7 by 2 whole square. Square root both are gets cancelled, again we will get 7 by 2. So compare to compared to x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Then the h value equal to 0, k value equal to 0, then r equal to root 7 by root 2. So then parametric equations of 1. What is equation 1 is? Take this is equation 1. Okay. What is the parametric equation? X equal to h plus r cos theta, then y equal to k plus r sin theta. Then substitute the values. X equal to 0 plus r value equal to root 7 by root 2 into cos theta. So it is equal to x equal to root 7 by 2 root 2 into cos theta. It is one of the equation of parametric equation. Similarly, y equal to 0 plus root of 7 by 2 into sin theta. Then y equal to root of 7 by 2 into sin theta. This is one more equation of the parametric equation. Next question, the fourth one. What is the given equation of the circle is? X minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square equal to 8 square. So directly have to compare to x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square form. Then h value equal to 3, then k value equal to 4, r value equal to 8. Then parametric equations of equation 1. This is take equation 1. Then x equal to h plus r cos theta, then y equal to k plus r sin theta. Then substitute the value. X equal to h value 3 plus the r value equal to 8 into cos theta. Next, y equal to 4 plus 8 into sin theta. These are the parametric equations of equation 1. Next, fifth question. The given circle equation is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. This equation we have to convert into the form of x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square form. So then next we discuss the given equation of the circle is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. Take this is equation 1. So then from the equation 1, the center C equal to, the center C is denoted by minus g comma minus f. It is equal to minus of x coefficient by 2 comma minus of y coefficient by 2. It is equal to C equal to minus of x coefficient. In equation 1, what is x coefficient equal to? Minus 4 by 2. Then minus of y coefficient in equation 1 is minus 6 by 2. It is equal to minus into minus plus 4 by 2. It is equal to minus into minus plus 6 by 2. Then 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, then 2 comma 3. It is the center of the equation 1. Then C equal to, the center in general is denoted by h comma k is also. Then C of h comma k equal to 2 comma 3. So then h equal to 2 and k equal to 3. After that find the radius. The radius r equal to square root of g square plus f square minus of c. It is equal to g square. What is the g value equal to? Minus g value equal to 2, but g value equal to minus 2. So then minus 2 whole square plus minus f value equal to 3, but f value equal to minus 3 whole square. Then minus of c. C means constant value in equation 1. What is the constant value in equation 1? Minus 12. Minus into minus plus 12. It is equal to again square root of minus 2 whole square means plus 4 plus 9 plus 12. The total value equal to root 25. It is equal to 5. What is the r value? Equal to 5. Parametric equations. Parametric equations of 1 is x equal to h plus r cos theta, then y equal to k plus r sin theta. Substitute the values. X equal to h value equal to 2 plus r value equal to 5 into cos theta. Similarly, y equal to k value equal to 3 plus 5 into sin theta. These are the parametric equations of given circle 1. Last problem for this method. The given circle is x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Take equation 1. From the equation 1, write the center C minus g comma minus f equal to minus x coefficient by 2 comma minus y coefficient by 2. Okay, then C of minus g comma minus f equal to minus of x coefficient in equation 1 is minus 6 by 2 minus of y coefficient in equation 1 plus 4 by 2. It is equal to 6 by 2. Minus into minus plus 6 by 2. Then minus of 4 by 2. So then C of minus g comma minus f equal to 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4. Again the center is always, it is denoted by h comma k. So that means minus g equal to 3, then g equal to minus 3, minus f equal to minus 2, then f equal to 2. From the equation 1, what is the c value? Then c equal to minus 12 from equation 1. Okay, then find the radius r equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c. It is equal to g square value minus 3 whole square plus f square equal to 2 whole square minus of c, minus into minus, plus 12. It is equal to square root of 9 plus 4 plus 12. So then r equal to root 25. It is equal to 5. Write the parametric equations. Parametric equations of 1 is, what is the principle? X equal to h plus r cos theta, then y equal to k plus r sin theta. Okay, then substitute the values. X equal to h value, what is our h value? Equal to 3 plus r value equal to 5 into cos theta. Okay, next y equal to k, what is our k value? Equal to minus 2 plus r value equal to 5 into sin theta. These are the parametric equations of given circle.